Hi everyone! Today we will see how you can retrieve all the important details about your farms using our easy-to-implement APIs. Now, we will see how we can retrieve a single field's data. So, it means the details of a single field which you have added. The endpoint is known as getFarmerData. If we use this getFarmerData endpoint, we need to pass the UID and the field ID. You have to enter the UID, which is the API key which you have, and the field ID for which you want this data to be generated. So let's copy the field ID and paste it in the request object. We have to use our own UID. Now let's click on the Send button. All the data related to the field will be visible here. So you can see all the details are here. Center latitude, center longitude, the coordinates of the field, the crop code, email ID if provided, whether the farm is going to expire soon or not, the address of the field, the area in square meters, the description of the field ID, and so many more things. You will also get information about various satellite indices like NDVI, NDWI, etc., and how they have changed with time. You will also get how much square meter of your farm lies in which index range, basically the index breakdown for all the important satellite indices. We will also get the languages of the report that are set at present. You will also have the name, the order date, payment type, which is basically the number of months this farm is to be monitored for, the phone number, the census days, and the SAR days. Sense days are the days for which the multispectral data is available, whereas the SR days are the days for which the radar data is available. You will also be able to see the weather data of this farm. Now, if you wanted to get the field IDs of the farms that are present in your account, you can use the getAllField IDs API endpoint. You have to pass the UID of your account in the request object, and it will return all the fields associated with your UID. Let's send the request. Since I had 4 fields in my account, and the response has given me 4 field IDs. By following these detailed steps, you'll be well equipped to read data of your farms efficiently using our APIs. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.